This is beach day gone wrong. This is what monster we're going to be, and Big Brother has to take care of get the baby. Brother! Whoa! Why did you wake me up? Why are you doing that? I know, I can see my cool moves sometimes. It looks like you're sleeping with it. Go wake sister. Sister. What is it? I am so tired. Like, you're gonna have to wake me up. I am so tired. First of all, why are you standing on your bed? I don't really know, but just get out of my room before I can get dressed. Did you take a bath? Of course I did. I want to be stinky. Okay. And we'll put all the lights on. We need it to be light for our parents to know that we're up. Put these music on! No, I don't like that music really. It gives me a headache. Okay. We're getting dressed. Okay, so basically I am to wear my favorite. The reason why I brought this bake is because it's my favorite. Yep, my favorite. Where's it be? And just this here. My favorite shoes. I do my hair. Chop my nails. Oh, hey, brother. Hey. Oh yeah. All the kids have to wake up first, then like the parents. It makes no total sense, right? Agree. Makes no total sense. Agree. Oh, who are you talking to, brother? He's such a jokester. What do you mean by that? He makes me laugh. Duh. What else would I be meaning? Okay, how about we wake up the toddler first since she's been staying up lately? Okay, you can go get dressed first since wait, actually, no, you can't get dressed first. I need to get dressed because I'm going to get the baby ready. Okay. Let me just get my suitcase. Digs in the suitcase. Done. Okay. Now I'm going to put my accessories on. Put this on, like that. Okay. I should actually wear my necklace since it's kind of... Wait, what am I doing off these? Probably sometimes I forget. It does match, but it's not. And now my shoes. Done. Looks like the baby want her sleep to be peaceful. Well, we're waiting for you. Me and my sister have the same old shoes. Didn't get this. Hurry up in there. Okay. We need a bag for stuff that we're actually bringing. We can bring the baby back. Or we can just bring mine since look at it. It's so cute and so cute for the beach. It could be for you girlies. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go pack it. Girl, let's pack it together. Yes. We're also gonna bring her favorite stuffy. Her drink. Oh my gosh. The headphones, the Nintendo. We should also bring a book. Oh, gee. Oh, that's awesome! Agree. And our bag is complete. Okay, now it's time to wake up the toddler. Toddler, wake up. Toddler, wake up. Wake up. Why'd you wake me up so early? We're gonna go to the beach today. It's gonna be so fancy. Yep, and we also packed your favorite toy in this bag. Okay, but yeah, everyone get out the living room because I want to get dressed. Everyone. I say everyone. I don't have to repeat myself. Okay. Perfect. I do my hair, guys. glasses. I'm gonna wear my favorite kitty hat. Okay, everyone, it's safe to come in. See? Yeah, she's not getting dressed. Okay, so I'm gonna get the everyone set up in the house with the baby. So yeah, I see you guys later. He walks. Oh, why does it look so abandoned? Looks like everyone's asleep in here. I still have to go in. Look at this place. Wake up! Stand up. Good morning, world. Get out of my room. Get out. Get out. I said get out. She looks in her luggage. Turning for my baby. She digs. I look so good. I always need to take selfies. Oh my gosh, what are all these people doing? Like, what? Shayla? Oh, who knew Mom does have 2 stores? Finally, you don't have to crazy. Ah! Who's in my room? It's, ow! What's that for? That hurts. Dang, I'm sorry. I didn't know you were in there. Oh, gee. Yeah. Look what you've done. You made the baby cry. Well, it's not my fault that you had to come in my room. Well, yes it is. I had to get the baby. Now you made the baby cry. Oh, what's this all this fighting about? Fighting? Yeah, I'm just gonna... We're supposed to wake up at the morning. Tell me what this fighting is about. This that you just woke us up. We're supposed to wake up in the morning. Okay? Because you just made me wake up from the best dream ever. Well, he had to went into my room and wake me up. Well, I was trying to get the baby, and now look what you done. You made the baby cry. Maybe we should just go back home. Home? Home? Yes, we're going back home. Tell everyone that we're on. You know what? The place that we're in was Hawaii. No, not Miami. And now we're going home. We're not even gonna go to the. You know what? You guys are grounded. Both of you boys. No one trying to you. No fun. Nothing. Just stay in that room. Think about what you done. Go pack up, boys. And now you're in the vacation for all of us. This baby don't stop crying for a while. Don't make the baby cry. No, you get the consequences. Oh my gosh. Oh man, I like this. I like Hawaii. It's my first time in Hawaii, and I had to ruin it. It's such a disappointment. Agree. Because I was actually enjoying this. Come on, just get it real quick. Hug. So annoying. Why can't I just have this? Please, since I am a busy mom, I picked this vacation for a good reason, and now we're not even having beach day. This will never even happen, but no, dumb people. I'm just gonna hold this and I'm actually sleeping. I'm just gonna get dressed in the bathroom. Okay, I'm just looking at it. Okay, I'm done. This was so sad. Oh, really? I'm just gonna call it. Hey kids, we're going actually back home since your brothers had to fight, and it was so hard, and it was so stressful. And they're gonna have a prize actually, I know they had to ruin it. But yeah, guys, we're going back home. So yeah, I'll see you. What I say, we're going back home. Some children can be so annoying. So we're going home, so we're going home. I hold this, our sister. Yes, we're going back home. Why? Because we're going to. Seriously. So annoying. Okay, guys, let's go. We're gonna. Come on, guys. Let's wait after you. Okay, since I'm the alpha, I'm the leader, I'm the one to. Want me to have this bag? Yes, yes, yes. Hey, somebody in the family, take this bag. Can you look in it? No. Just wait till we get home. Oh, that's my bag. I'll change. Oh, you can't change this thing. What useless do you have? Come on, guys, let's go. Okay. Girls Tough Burma. She's so pretty, perfect. Why are you singing the song Trolls Band together? I don't know. Girls Tough Burma. She's so perfect. Come on, let's go. Not this again. What? Dude. Okay. You know what? I paid them. Paid. Come on, family, we're waiting for you. Hey up, there's only a few seats left. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh, good to see you. Okay. Oh man. Let's just check out. They're gonna check out. They should check out our bathroom bag. Just go wait for it. Sure, it's good. Okay, thank you. Come on, guys, let's go on the plane. They're getting on the plane. Dog. The vacation with you is so much fun. You made it better. I'm gonna sit. Dad, I'm gonna sit right here with the dog. Okay. We're heading straight to your home. Let's sit together. Okay. Don't sit alone. What was that? I'm just gonna see what she does. Buckle. Oh, so she didn't make it on. It's right here. Holding all these luggages. Okay. Hey, the plane's starting now. And then. Listen, I don't know about some of the music to me. I'm just gonna take a nap. Yeah, I can't fall asleep. We're here, everybody! Yes, I'm going somewhere. I don't know where I'm going. Yay, we made it home. Bye, everyone. I hope you like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.